Hello guys, today we are going to talk about simple futures. Sometimes we have many plans, but we don't know how to talk about them in English. So today we are going to talk about some grammar that will help us to talk about our future. Let's think for a while, what will happen next century? Will the earth continue existing? What will happen with humanity? Will have enough water? Will cars finally be flying? These are some of the questions that we need to take into account for our future. Corey ten Boom said, never be afraid to trust an unknown future to an unknown guide. So today we are going to talk about an unknown future. So how to talk about the future in English? Let's see. Let's see how to talk about future in English. If we want to talk about affirmative sentence, we need to take into account subject, verb will, this is our auxiliary verb in this time, our verb in his normal position, and the complement. So for example, robots will be present. So let's do an exercise. Organize the following sentence. Enough have humans, will, and technology. If your answer is humans will have enough technology, you are right. Now, if we want to talk about negative sentences, we are going to use subject, will not, the same verb, and the complement. For example, robots will not be present in our lives. So, organize the same sentence that we have before, but now we are going to make it like a negative form. If you got humans will not have enough technology, you were right. Now let's talk about the questions. Always in English we send the auxiliary verb to the first place. So in here is the same exercise. So let's start with will, with the subject, then with the verb, the complement, and our question mark. Okay. If it's a WH questions, we are going to start with it, then we are going to use will, then the subject, then the verb, the complement, and our question. Okay, so for example, will robots present in our lives? What will be present in our lives? So let's do an exercise using the previous example. Please make a question with it. If you have got something like what will we have enough, then you have a right question. To finish our topic today, we are talking about the contractions of will. So I will, it's gonna be yeah, I'll. If is she, she'll. He will, he'll. It will, you'll. You will, you'll. We will, we'll. They will, they'll. And if it's a negative form, we are going to use won't. Okay, guys, this is all for today, and I hope this explanation will help you a lot. See you next class.